that perp gone, man. But in Rafa.
Oh look, the other truck that was
pulled me over. He was like, "You gotta take off your license. If you can't take it off, get your shit towed." I couldn't take it off. I had my shit towed. He made me cut my wheel.
So we're back at it with the vlogs.
We back at it for the vlogs. We were here now.
So do you think you look good now, bro?
Yeah, I look better now. I was really looking fat as fuck with that other shirt.
So how do you call it? Aquí andamos con quién?
Out here with Manny. Y'all already know this.
¿Y dónde andamos?
Luis was trying to go to the meets, but
nigga, okay,
the meets is not a thing no more.
So sadly, the meets are not meets no more on the Sundays. Ayer era la meet porque I guess I made it different location, but Rieles fucking the new location from last week, no more. Ya hay cops everywhere. So llegué a la casa de Manny y pues vamos a comer nos vamos a chingar un tea house y ahorita a ver qué se hace un downtown later, no?
Yeah, downtown later.
So what you want to say to the viewers if they like Manny in the videos or what?
Oh yeah, if they like me in the videos, y'all comment so I can make videos with this nigga like.
But no sean culos, comment, cause y'all don't be fucking commenting and shit. Ni me dicen si los videos like les gustan o no. Pero pues as of right now, follow us on the journey. Y denle un like a los videos, no sean culos. Like, subscribe if you haven't. And subscribe. Y ahorita a ver qué agarramos de Tea House.
Sure.
So la neta, se me olvidó el nombre de esa cosa, but female put me on. Hey Manny, what you got?
I got a banana strawberry with tapioca.
Hey, ¿ese cómo se llama?
Coconut taboo.
Shit. It's good though. ¿Ahorita para dónde le damos? ¿Para downtown o what?
Downtown.
Entonces los agachamos con los Retro Boys. Ya see the Manny whip. Let's go. See you over there. We're back at it. Ya see it. Que andamos con los de Enrastra. So you wanna say what's up to the vlog, bro? Huh? You wanna say what's up to the vlog? What up? El homie Pelon.
Se mete al parking lot where on tanto los cops.
Yeah.
Y ahí.
Damn, tall ass nigga, bro. Damn. This fool tall as fuck. ¿Qué onda, cuz? Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Y'all wanna go right now?
Yeah.
Bro, you really about to get gapped by this nigga?
Right now they just got homie Pelon and no traté de grabar, pero a él lo bajaron y le pusieron handcuffs y ¿cómo se llama? No, pues a mí me dejaron en la camioneta and then yeah, y andamos a record a ver qué pasa. Hopefully lo dejen ahorita manejar. Mi hermana, they're talking to him, they're inside the cop car y creo que ahorita so la troca de homie Pelon is going to get towed. Homie Pelon's on the back of a cop car. And they're about to take me. Boy.
Sick person.
And I think they got them other fools over there for racing too. Those are Mustang. And yeah, I thought I'll pick up the vlog whenever, you know, we're back and shit. Like that.
That boy, that perp gone, man. But in restaurant top, you know what I'm saying, man?
So that's only Pelon, and that's his build. Yeah, pues.
Gone, man.
I'll pick it out soon, bro.
Well, I'll get out next week.
Next week?
Nah.
I thought you said next week. I was like, God dang.
Nah, like probably tomorrow or like today.
For sure, for sure. Damn. So they got that Mustang too, and then they got Homie Pelon is out here. The Mustang motherfuckers are over there. I'm waiting for a ride. So there goes the Mustang, and then there goes the truck. And right now I'm recording on my phone para que no me quiten la GoPro for footage and shit. So homie Pelon, they just took him here, and I'm waiting for my ride. And hey, this shit just out of nowhere came, and it's kind of like fucked up. Porque aquí estaba homie Pelon, and they took him. Estaba un chingo de cops, and then out of nowhere it's like this thing popped up. So I guess I'm gonna get that footage while, you know, they pick me up, because I also gotta go pick up my truck. Y a ver qué pasa. Ahora this shit's packed. La minivan, cuz. Vámonos. Ya andamos en medio de toda la ghetto-ness. What you gonna say about this ghetto-ness?
Fuck, Northside, nigga. I can't wait to go to Southside already, bro. Fuck.
Fuck, wait. It's fucked up because homie Pelon just left. They just took him from here. They had the trucks parked right here.
What is it?
Se la llevaron Reca y homie Pelon is in jail.
Wait, what happened though? Like, what happened? Like,
They got him street racing, bro.
like how though?
On the freeway, güey, se les pegó el policía.
¿A los dos?
Dicen que al otro también lo agarraron y a homie Pelon, el policía, like, just stay behind this nigga. So we're in the middle of the ghetto-ness. We're about to leave the ghetto-ness.
Let me save you, nigga, and take you to Southside.
Nigga, take me to my truck, güey.
I don't have your keys.
Manny has him.
Yeah.
And he's in pulled up in front of ahí, no?
He got pulled over.
He got pulled over too.
Yeah, everybody got pulled over. Nigga.
So let's go pick up my truck, bro. Ahorita nos cachamos when we pick up my truck. So we're back in downtown, about to pick up my baby. And I heard that Manny got pulled over too.
There has to be something right here.
So yeah, it's pretty much, you know, like a bad day for Enrastra.
I'm the only investor member alive, my boy.
Hey, don't even say nothing, bro. Ahorita que hopefully we don't get pulled over. Aquí andamos en el downtown. I'm about to pick up my baby. Huh?
Oh, ahí está, mira.
Oh, hell no.
A la verga, trae dos.
Oh, look, the other truck that was racing. Hey, shall we park the trucks and go and investigate or what?
Damn, they gonna tow our shit, nigga.
No, because we're gonna park our trucks.
They gonna tow them.
For real?
What?
Nigga, stop fucking playing.
That's the thing.
Oh, look at our impulsives over there. Nigga, Manny has my fucking keys.
I know. Con Luis lo fui a recoger porque pararon a Jeremiah por racing. ¿A quién? ¿Se la requearon?
Yeah, they're taking it home.
Where you at?
Right now, Jacob is gonna park his truck right next to mine. And then we're gonna go see Manny that's in like 2 blocks that way. And then they're gonna take care of our trucks. I gotta go get my keys because Manny has my keys. Y le di mis llaves because my truck was parked right here. Y let's say like que llegaron los policías, you know, or something. Luckily my truck is, ahí todavía está safe, todavía tiene un sistema, no se han robado. And I'm gonna just wait for Jacob. And I gotta pee so bad. But shit, let me know if y'all enjoyed the video of today. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna end it right now, but I'm saying, you know, as so far, if you're enjoying the video, denle un like, no sean culos. Ya está el pinche Jacob. Nigga, that nigga's tall as shit, bro. Como no atropellar. So ahorita vamos a mirar a Manny, and probably the next clip is gonna be Manny getting his shit towed. Sadly. Throw the clip. Look at all these chickens. I love it. Have you seen that clip? Look at all these taquachis. How do you call it? So you want to tell them the sad news?
Estoy muy triste ahorita para decirles, güey. Diles tú, güey.
Manny got his shit towed, bro. I didn't got to record the clip, so my bad for like giving you blue balls and shit. But yeah, Manny got his shit towed, and ahorita Manny should be right here talking to it.
Nah, my brother. Y a ti, porque Manny se fue en la tow truck.
Oh. Damn. Shit, well. Ahorita esperamos a tu brother. Alright guys, so I got my keys back. Sadly, how do you call it? Okay, so I know I gave you a blue ball. I was talking about we're gonna go record Manny getting his truck towed. Sadly, they already towed his truck. Manny is in the tow truck with them. There wasn't luckily another member of the Enrastra, so they brought me my keys, and I got the keys to this bitch right here. Right now Jacob is gonna go around. He wants a little roller, and I think that's gonna be the end of the video of today. I'm not saying I'm gonna finish the video right now, but ahorita I'll let you know. I mean, I'll do an outro. Let me take this roller for Jacob. Ahorita cuando salga por acá, nos cachamos.
round man, ready to shoot a nigga. Damn. So you came for shit.
So, Manny, do you want to tell us what happened, bro? God damn!
Yep. We were at the bank, we were chilling. The cop was being a bitch. He pulled me over. He was like, "You gotta take off your license. If you can't take it off, get your shit towed." I couldn't take it off. I had my shit towed. He made me cut my wheel.
Let me see your wheel. ¿Son de los dos o nomás de uno?
Just one. God damn. He fucked up my bumper too. What else, fire?
Puta madre.
Wait, no.
Tell him nah, he got pulled over for racing, nigga. That's what it was.
Oh yeah, you got put over for racing, bro.
Yeah.
I wish it was for racing.
Nigga, fucking Jeremiah got.
Let me see the light.
Se lo llevaron, güey.
Hold on, let me see. I need to look for my license, man. Why?
Saca los cienes, güey.
Huh?
Vamos a los vergos, saca
That nigga gave me a fucking ticket because I had my license. I'm like, I know I have a fucking license. I don't know what it's that.
I mean, they could type it in, güey. I mean, every time I don't have my
He still
license.
give me a fucking ticket.
A mí no me han dado ticket por eso.
He still give me a ticket. I typed it in y todo.
Damn.
Falla, sí, falla, sí.
And then y'all want me to get 22s, 24s. Nigga, I'm good with my 20s. If they fuck those 20s up, I ain't tripping. Damn. No pues plebada, this is the end of the video. You want to say unas palabras sabias?
No, güey.
And like, subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe, guys.
Hell yeah. Like and subscribe for all the fallen soldiers of today.
Sponsor Manny for some new wheels, so make sure he gets likes and views. So
Yeah, they don't pay me on shit. But yeah, guys, if y'all like this content of the day, then like, then subscribe. Like it for my boy Manny.
Hey, you gotta get the truck though.
Hey, I'm still gonna go tomorrow. Thank you.
I'm sponsoring you and shit.
Huh?
This shit, I'm taking my shit to get to paint things to get my sunroof, and that shit's getting fixed tomorrow.
Oh, no, verga.
Cuando cagas feria, güey. ¿Y eso de aquí qué es o qué?
Tienes que grabar esto, güey. No mames, mira.
¿Qué quieres que grabe?
Toda la troca, güey, mira.
What, this piece of shit right here?
Mira, güey. No mames. Solo que no grabes el garbage can que está ahí atrás, güey.
Oh, that one?
Sí, ese no lo grabes, pero esto, güey. Ay, ay.
So, ¿qué tienes aquí o qué?
No grabes eso, güey. Esto no. Mira.
I'm showing the wheels, nigga. I ain't even
Ah,
seen
you
that.
that was the bad wheel, don't show that one.
My bad.
Oh, y ahí, pues ahí.
A ver, prende tus luces. I know you got a little switch right there. Turn them bitches on.
Press that.
Andamos valiendo verga.
Puta madre. Está la verga.
Para que les baje las estrellas a las morritas.
Uy. Ey, calmado.
Oh, I
Yeah.
forgot.
Ahí está.
Yeah, damn, so we got the giraffe mobile. Nigga, you should be driving that one and I should be driving this one.
Let's trade.
Let's trade, come
Ben
on.
told you, nigga.
I get my headliner though.
Whoa.
You get your headliner.
Yeah, you're gonna cut it in half, nigga.
Nah, I'm gonna sell it, nigga. Look at this piece of shit. Either way, either who, guys, subscribe, like, and all that good shit. Y pues I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all again. Peace.